Listen, this is about you. Yes, you. Do you know the things that are crushing your immune system?
What's up people, my name is Kotin and welcome back to my channel Koti Fit. This channel is all about the fitness world from A to Z, all about fitness. So the topic for the day is going to be what are the things that are affecting our immune system. So the first factor is going to be lack of sleep.
Not getting sufficient rest can make you bound to get infection or germs. What's more, you likewise may take more time to improve. That is on the grounds that your body can't make a numerous contamination, battling cells and protein, considered antibodies that assist and guard against sickness.
So the solution for this is try to get 7 hours of sleep or by using a meditation app called as Headspace before bed. The second one is anxiety.
Stress aren't incredible germ warriors. Simply having restless consideration can deliberate your safe friction in just 30 minutes. Converse with your primary care physician in the event that you can't shake your concern or in the event that it hinders ordinary life.
So the solution for this is try to take meditation in your day-to-day life and try to listen to motivational videos. The third factor is lack of vitamin D.
You may realize you need it for solid bones and sound platelets. You can get it in eggs and strengthened food varieties like milk and cereal. Daylight is another key source. In the mid-year, only 5 to 15 minutes of beams on your hand, face and arms 2 to 3 times each week as a rule is sufficient. In the colder time of year, you may require somewhat more.
So the solution for this is try to add egg yolk in your diet for non-vegetarian, and for vegetarian can add mushroom or oranges. The fourth factor is certain medication.
Incorporate medication to treat sensitivities, joint inflammation, lupus, IBS and an organ relocate. Talk with your PCP before you change any physician recommended drug.
So the solution for this is try to go out for any jogging or walking, try to do skipping or go out in the nature. The fifth factor is going to be too few of fruits and vegetables in your diet.
These foods may help your body make more of the white blood cells you need to fight off infection. Plant-based foods also fill up with fiber, which helps lower your body fat percentage, which can strengthen your immune response.
So the solution for this is add vegetables like spinach and fruits like banana in your diet. The sixth one is marijuana.
Smoke from pot can kindle your lungs. In the event that you can use it consistently, you may have similar breathing issue you can get from nicotine cigarettes. That implies hacking up shaded bodily fluid called mucus and a higher possibility of lung contamination.
So the solution for this is try to change your circle and take fitness as your lifestyle. Seventh factor is high fat diet.
Alongside lean protein like fish, turkey and chicken, or lean cuts of issue with any apparent fat cut off. Likewise, being fat appears to make you bound to get seasonal influenza and different diseases similar to pneumonia.
The solution for this is try to have a healthy high fat diet like avocados, cheese and fatty fish. The eighth factor is too little of going outside.
Daylight may empower unique cells in your framework called T cells that assistance battle contamination. Yet being outside brings different advantages as well.
So the solution for this is try to go to outdoor like beaches or somewhere else where you can explore yourself rather than sitting at home. The ninth factor is smoking.
Nicotine from cigarettes, biting tobacco or some other sources can debilitate your body's capacity to battle germs. It's not simply the nicotine. Different syntheses in e-fluids appear to smoother your invulnerable reaction, particularly when you breathe in them through your vaping.
So the solution for this is try to change your circle and take fitness as your lifestyle. The 10th factor is alcohol.
Simply trying too hard once eases back your body capacity to battle germs for as long as 24 hours. Over the long run, drinking an excessive amount of blunts, your body's capacity fix itself. That might be important for the explanation you're born to get sickness like liver infection, pneumonia, tuberculosis and other diseases. On the off chance that you use liquor, attempt to hold it 1 beverage daily for ladies and 2 beverages for men.
So the solution for this is try to have Red Bull. The 11th factor is grief.
There is some proof that distress, particularly if endured quite a while, can push down your body. The impact can wait for a half year, however, may go on longer if your despondency is profound or doesn't ease. Converse with your PCP or a psychological well-being proficient on the off chance that you need assistance with a misfortune or horrendous mishap.
So the solution for this is try to change your vibe. Vibe exactly I mean to say is like music, dance, or watching any comedy movies or series. The 12th factor is lack of exercise.
Standard oxygen consuming activity seems to help your body battle disease brought about by infection and microbes. That is to some degree since it assists blood with getting around your body all the more pro-efficiently, which implies germ battling substances get where they need to go. Researchers keep on concentrating precisely how exercise helps support your resistant framework.
So the solution for this is I am here to help you out in that. Try to contact me. The 13th factor is no sex.
Uplifting news. Week after week, closeness appears to help support your resistant framework constructed with the individual who have it less regularly. Sex raises levels of germ battling substances called IgA, yet more may not in every case better. Couples who engaged in sexual relation more than 2 times every week had lower levels of IgA than that of individuals who had no sex by any means.
So the solution for this is try to have sex once or twice a week.
So let's start with strengthening our immune system. Your first line of defense is to choose a healthy lifestyle. Following with general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take towards naturally keeping your immune system working properly. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and by healthy living strategies such as number 1, don't smoke. Number 2, eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. Number 3, exercise regularly. Number 4, maintain a healthy weight. Number 5, if you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. Number 6, get adequate sleep. Number 7, take steps to avoid infections such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meats thoroughly. Number 8, try to minimize stress. Number 9, keep current with all recommended vaccine. Vaccines prime your immune system to fight off infection before they take hold in your body.
Okay, so guys, I wanted to know something from you. Can you just tell me what are the factors that you are focusing on in your day-to-day life? And not only this, do you find this video really worth it? If yes, comment down on the section below so that we'll be more motivated to bring more of this knowledgeable content to you and also to have a healthy lifestyle. Not only this guys, you can definitely reach us on other social media platforms like on Instagram, on Facebook, and the link to that is down in the description box. And not only this, you can visit us on our website cotifit.com to any enquiry and we'll reach back to you as soon as possible. And guys, stay tuned with our upcoming videos because we're gonna come with more of fitness challenges. Until then, stay hard! Okay, so guys, these are the factors which are affecting our immune system. And I hope you guys like this video. If you really like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and definitely hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you will definitely get it in your notification box. And along with this, I just want to say guys, do enjoy life and don't forget to stay smart.
So let's see what are the foods that boost our immune system. So feeding your body certain foods may help you keep your immune system strong. The number 1 is citrus fruits. The number 2 is red bell peppers. The number 3 is broccoli. The number 4 is garlic. The number 5 is ginger. The number 6 is spinach. The number 7 is yogurt. The number 8 is almonds. Number 9 is sunflower seeds. Number 10 is turmeric. Number 11 is green tea. Number 12 is papaya.
Okay. So it's gonna be first. Guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay hard.
Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking this to you. Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove